Top 12 Best Drinks for Weight Loss. Hey everyone, welcome back to our Slim Smart Journey YouTube channel. If you're on a weight loss journey and looking for delicious ways to help shed those extra pounds, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 12 best drinks for weight loss that are not only tasty, but also super effective. Stick around till the end to find out which drinks can help you achieve your fitness goals. Let's get started. Number 1. Water. First up is the classic and unbeatable water. It's calorie-free and helps fill you up, preventing overeating. Studies have shown that increasing your water intake can lead to an average 5.15% drop in body weight. A good rule of thumb is to drink half your body weight in ounces of water daily. So if you weigh 150 pounds, aim for at least 75 ounces of water a day. Next, number 2, grape juice. We have grape juice. Drinking a small glass before bedtime may help you sleep better and burn fat while you rest. Grape juice triggers insulin release, regulating your circadian rhythms. It also contains resveratrol, an antioxidant that can turn white fat into calorie-burning brown fat. Just remember, wine isn't a great alternative due to its alcohol content. Number 3 is cinnamon tea. This warm drink can boost your metabolism and has antioxidant and antibacterial properties, making it a great detox drink. Sweeten it with a bit of honey for added flavor and benefits. 4. Cucumber and parsley juice. Coming in at number 4 is cucumber and parsley juice. Cucumber is high in water and fiber, while parsley has diuretic properties and is packed with vitamins and minerals. Together, these nutrient-dense ingredients support weight loss effectively. Coffee. Number 5 is a favorite for many. Coffee. Caffeine acts as a stimulant, increasing calorie burn and lowering hunger hormones. Studies suggest that coffee drinkers can better maintain weight loss. Just stick to low-calorie black coffee without sugar to maximize the benefits. Black tea. Next is black tea, number 6. This beverage promotes gut health by encouraging beneficial bacteria growth. It's rich in polyphenols and flavonoids that aid in weight loss. Drinking 3 cups of black tea daily for 3 months can lead to weight loss and a smaller waistline. Enjoy it after meals and throughout the day. Lemon and honey water. At number 7, we have lemon and honey water. Lemons help burn fat and boost metabolism, while honey aids in weight loss. Combined, they detoxify the body and can even help clear acne. Mix half a teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in warm water and drink it twice a day. Pineapple juice is next on our list. Number 8. This tropical drink enhances digestion and nutrient absorption, thanks to an enzyme called bromelain that boosts metabolic rate. Pineapple juice is one of the most efficient weight loss beverages. Number 9 is green vegetable juice. Leafy greens like cabbage, spinach, and coriander are high in fiber and antioxidants, helping reduce body weight and fat over time. With low sugar content, they're perfect for weight loss. Blend spinach, cucumber, green apples, coriander, or celery into a smoothie and enjoy. Number 10. Kombucha. We have kombucha. This fermented tea is rich in probiotics, which can aid in weight loss by influencing how your body stores fat and responds to hunger hormones. Drinking kombucha can help promote healthy gut bacteria, making weight loss easier. Number 11. Coconut water. Number 11 is coconut water. It's low in calories and packed with electrolytes, making it a great alternative to sugary sports drinks. Coconut water helps keep you hydrated, and its potassium content can aid in muscle function and recovery, supporting overall fitness and weight loss. Number 12. Apple cider vinegar drink. Finally, we have an apple cider vinegar drink. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and a teaspoon of honey. This drink can help improve digestion, boost metabolism, and suppress appetite. Start with small amounts to see how your body reacts, and gradually increase if you find it beneficial. And there you have it, the top 12 best drinks for weight loss. These beverages are not only delicious, but also packed with benefits to help you reach your fitness goals. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Comment below which drink you're excited to try first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thanks for